Hi guys, I'm right now with my dad playing with a monster truck. Monster truck! I'm gonna try controlling it. It's so cold at nighttime right now. Come back here! Come back here! What? I can run as fast as that thing moves. Wait, can I control it? Yacht! This is so brown. Someone left a Someone left a C4 bottle. Wait, I can record myself. What? Oh my! I want to record myself climbing. What? I want to record myself climbing.
What?
I want to record myself climbing.
Where's your mask?
What? He's not there. It's not in the camera yet. I'm gonna jump down. Woo! That's cool. The light's on. The light's really bright. The light's bright. The light got brighter. Dad, look. The light just got brighter.
Oh, yeah.
Why did that happen?
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Picnic table.
oh, dang. Try not to swear. This is going on my YouTube channel. I hope.
We're going to jump. Hopefully it makes it.
We're going to jump. Wait. Oh. Yeah?
Let's see how big that lip is before I go down. Ooh, that's kind of big. Not to go right. Oh, shit. That is not good.
Did you break something? We're going on the swings. Yes, Queen. We're going on the swings. Swing time. I love swings. Who's pounding music right now? Like, I always used to sing, close my eyes, on the swings in kindergarten. It's just like weird, but like I would close my eyes, you know, and I thought it would get me higher. Oh my gosh, what the frick? Or heck, what the? Whoa. Dad, I want to try.